Welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Kaspa coin on your Kucoin mobile app. And first things first, once you've opened Kucoin, head over to the deposit section, and that deposit section is basically so we can be able to deposit USDT, XRP, Solana, Bitcoin, or Ethereum to be able to make this transaction possible. But I would advise you deposit USDT either in ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20, any of the available networks. And our next step is to be clicking on the trading icon, which is at the bottom of the screen. So once you've clicked on trade, you simply click on Cas USDT and search for KASPA, Kaspa, or rather KAS, which stands for Kaspa as well. Click on Kaspa, enter the volume of USDT you'd like to spend, and this USDT is the USDT you have deposited on Kucoin. So let's say we deposited about $5, so let's go with 5.0. That's equivalent to 286.86 of the Kaspa coin. And our next step is to simply click on Buy Kas, and by the time you're done setting your limit, stop loss, and the rest of those good stuff, your transaction would have been completed and the Kaspa would be deposited in your assets section. So by heading to the bottom right corner of the screen, we are taken to the assets menu where you're taken to your overview. So you'd get $4.99 or $5 in total after the whole Kaspa USDT transaction, which in turn you click on funding, and in the funding menu you're given the option to search by using the search icon here. So you search for Kaspa, Kaspa, and boom, the available Kaspa you currently bought or swapped would be made available to you. If you do not possess an account on Kucoin, all you need to do is use the link at the bottom of the video to simply register and get the welcome bonus of up to 3,200 worth of dollars in trading rebates. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy the Kaspa coin on your Kucoin mobile app, and you'll be given an answer.